Inchi curry or Puli Inji. Ginger pickle. Ingredients: tamarind 1 medium orange size. Old tamarind, because this curry we need little blackish, and this old tamarind is good for your digestive system also. Now ginger 1/4 kg, cut it into very fine. Green chilli 100 gram, that also cut it into fine. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, chilli powder 1 teaspoon, asafetida or hing. If it is a solid one, take 1 small piece. Otherwise, powder form, take 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste, jaggery 100 gram. 1/4 teaspoon fried and powdered fenugreek powder, methi powder. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mustard 1 teaspoon. Fenugreek 1/2 teaspoon. Curry leaves 2 to 3 sprigs. Whole red chilli 2 to 4. Water around 1.5 liter. Now I am going to show the preparation. Finely chop ginger and green chilli and keep it aside. Next step, extract the tamarind juice by adding water. Do this process 3 times. You have to use total water 1.5 liter. You have to use only sand pot or steel vessel. Don't use any aluminium vessel. Next step, now start the stove with the tamarind water. Add the turmeric powder, chilli powder, asafoetida, salt and jaggery. Let it boil and keep it in low flame till the tamarind juice reduces to around 1 liter. In between, in another pan, add oil. When hot, add the mustard. When it splutter, add fenugreek seeds, whole chilli, curry leaves and stir. Curry leaves, you can remove the leaves and you can add. Otherwise, whole sprig also you can add. Now add finely chopped ginger and green chilli. Now fry till the ginger turns brown. It is already cooked. Now put that into the tamarind pulp. Now check the taste. Somewhat it is a sweet and sour chutney. You can add more jaggery if you want. Let it boil for 4 minutes in low flame. Now switch it off. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon fenugreek powder. Now your ginger pickle, Inchi curry, it is ready. It is very tasty and good for your digestion. Keep it for 2 days outside. Then afterwards, you can store in the refrigerator. It lasts for months. Don't keep it outside more than 3-4 days. Now you try it. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe.